Dive 642 on the island of North Wamses in the Farne Islands, northeast England. The Farne Islands are mainly known for seal diving, but this was a reef dive we did on one of the outer islands here, diving with Clidive in August 2023 and using Billy Shields boat trips as the dive boat. Starting off here, you can see we've got lots of this coral growth, dead man's fingers here, and a little bit of kelp on the top of the rocks, but not too bad given the time of year it is. In there is a long-clawed squat lobster. We'll get a better shot of one later, as well as this velvet swimming crab, which was running away from me. And there we go, a second velvet swimming crab. This one a little less flighty, although off it goes there as it gets a bit defensive. There is a better shot of the long-clawed squat lobster. And there we have a regular squat lobster disappearing, as well as a northern prawn here I'm able to get in macro. I know a velvet swimming crab making its way up a rock, and there is a fairly skittish squat lobster there. Here I managed to find one which was less hidden than usual, so you can see its orange body with those blue eyes and stripes on it. Normally they disappear into their burrows, but that one was fairly open. Seasider there in the rocks, as well as a common hermit crab making its way there in a bit of swell. Down this gully, we've got some edible sea urchins either side. And here I managed to find a nudibranch on the kelp. This is a Dendronotus Lacteus. I don't think this has a common name, but fairly confident of the ideas. I could get it in macro. Swimming crab there, as we make our way around some of the larger rocks. We find a Sunstar here. This is a starfish with many, many arms. And some more of the dead man's fingers there, my buddy ahead of us. A second Sunstar. And another northern prawn in macro. So I was trying to eat a bit of the soft growth, I think, as it moved away. A pair of velvet swimming crabs there, the larger male and the smaller female below it. A common lobster in a hole. And then as we pan along this crevice, we have another squat lobster that's out in the open. And then that caught my eye, I saw a second lobster, so I'll get a shot of that as well. Some more rocks here as we come up towards the end of our dive. We did a roughly 45-minute dive here, about 15 meters max depth. You can see the divers up there, ascending back into the kelpie range, and the water gets a bit milkier up here. And as we're doing the safety stop, there was this very large school of fish came through. Unfortunately, the viz here wasn't great, so I can't tell exactly what these fish were, but they were schooling and making their way around the rock.